Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once there was a girl with curly hair. Her name was Goldilocks. One day, she went into the forest near her house. She saw a cottage. Is anybody in? She asked. There was nobody. The bear family lived in the cottage. They had gone for a walk. Goldilocks went in. She wanted to see who lived there. She saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. There was a big bowl for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bowl for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bowl for Baby Bear. Goldilocks was hungry. She ate the porridge from the big bowl. It was very hot. She ate from the middle-sized bowl. It was too cold. She ate from the tiny little bowl. It was just right. Goldilocks ate up all the porridge. Then she went to the bedroom. There was a big bed for Papa Bear, a middle-sized bed for Mama Bear, and a tiny little bed for Baby Bear. The big bed was very hard. The middle-sized bed was too soft. But the tiny little bed was just right. Goldilocks fell asleep in the tiny little bed. The bear family came back. Somebody ate my porridge, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody ate my porridge too, said Mama Bear. Somebody finished all my porridge, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. The bear family went to the bedroom. Somebody slept in my bed, shouted Papa Bear in his big gruff voice. Somebody slept in my bed too, said Mama Bear. Somebody is sleeping in my bed, said Baby Bear in his tiny little voice. Goldilocks woke up. She saw the 3 bears. She jumped down and ran out of the cottage as fast as she could. Multiple choice questions. Question number 1. Who was Goldilocks? Option A, a girl. Option B, a boy. Option C, a bird. Option D, a dog. Question number 2. What did Goldilocks see in the forest? Option A, a building. Option B, a school. Option C, a cottage. Option D, a temple. Question number 3. Who lived in the cottage? Option A, a lion family. Option B, a bear family. Option C, a tiger family. Option D, a dog family. Question number 4. What did Curly Locks see on the table? Option A, 3 bowls of porridge. Option B, 4 bowls of honey. Option C, 3 bowls of curry. Option D, 2 bowls of soup. Question number 5. Whose bowl was big in size? Option A, Mama Bear. Option B, Papa Bear. Option C, Baby Bear. Option D, none. Question number 6. Whose porridge was just right? Option A, Papa Bear. Option B, Mama Bear. Option C, Baby Bear. Option D, none. Question number 7. Why did Curly Locks eat the porridge? Option A, she was hungry. Option B, she was happy. Option C, she was lonely. Option D, she was angry. Question number 8. What did Curly Locks see in the bedroom? Option A, a table. Option B, 3 beds. Option C, a cupboard. Option D, 3 chairs. Question number 9. Whose bed did Curly Locks sleep in? Option A, Papa Bear. Option B, Mama Bear. Option C, Baby Bear. Option D, none. Question number 10. What did she do when she saw the 3 bears? Option A, she cried. Option B, she thanked them. Option C, she smiled at them. Option D, she ran out of the cottage. Now I give you the answers. You can check yours. Question number 1. Who was Curly Locks? Curly Locks was a girl. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 2. What did Curly Locks see in the forest? Curly Locks saw a cottage. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 3. Who lived in the cottage? A bear family lived in the cottage. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 4. What did Curly Locks see on the table? Curly Locks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. So A is the correct answer. Question number 5. Whose bowl was big in size? Papa Bear's bowl was big in size. So B is the correct option. Question number 6. Whose porridge was just right? Baby Bear's porridge was just right. So C is the correct option. Question number 7. Why did Curly Locks eat the porridge? Curly Locks ate the porridge because she was hungry. So A is the correct option. Question number 8. What did Curly Locks see in the bedroom? Curly Locks saw 3 beds. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 9. Whose bed did Curly Locks sleep in? curly locks, slept in Baby Bird's bed. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 10. What did she do when she saw the three birds? She ran out of the cottage when she saw the three birds. So option D is the correct answer. Hope you understood the story. Thank you. Please subscribe if you like it.